The Storm Prediction Center warned Monday morning that regional tornadoes could form in parts of the lower to central Mississippi Valley on Tuesday afternoon and evening. The Prediction Center announced a moderate risk of level 4 out of 5 severe storms for Tuesday afternoon and evening. Moderate risk includes 1.8 million people from northeastern Louisiana to southern Tennessee, including parts of the Memphis and Greenville metropolitan areas in Mississippi. Long-track and/or severe tornadoes can occur, with the most favorable corridor running from far northeast Louisiana through northwest Mississippi, the Prediction Center noted. A long-track tornado is a tornado that can stay on the ground much longer and cause much more damage than a regular tornado. A severe tornado is a tornado of magnitude EF2 or greater and can bring winds of 111 miles per hour or more.